Does mixing all my raised bed soil and adding compost count as crop rotation? This is John from Warwick, Rhode Island. He says every fall he breaks down his raised beds and in the spring sets them back up and refills them using the old soil mixed with compost. So, good question.
A real good question. To answer his question, that is not crop rotation.
Okay.
Crop rotation is where you plant a different crop species from, in a spot than what you had last year.
Right, right.
So like you would plant, your sweet corn or your tomatoes where you had your peas and beans last year.
Okay.
Because you want to take advantage of, the nitrogen being in the soil, because corn and, tomatoes are nitrogen lovers. And those legumes would have put nitrogen into the soil.
Okay.
So that's really more crop rotation.
Right, got it.
There.
Okay. Now what about, changing the soil out, as you're doing crop rotation? What do you think about that?
Well, the thing is, ask yourself, did you have a disease issue last year? Because if you did, we don't need that soil coming back into the raised beds.
Right.
So you want to make sure, that not reintroducing some pathogen or something back into the, into the garden area. But what he's practicing here, though, about how he breaks it down and refills it and all that, that's good, and add new compost, that's a great gardening practice. That's really good.
Yeah, I'm with you on that. So the raised bed soil and adding the compost, you know what that does? Improve soil health.
That's right.
Right, which is a good thing.
Yes.
I want you to improve that soil structure, that soil health. Yeah, and crop rotation, as you just mentioned, when I think about crop rotation, plant placement to prevent diseases and pests.
That's right.
That's what I think crop rotation is.
Yes.
All right. So there you have it, John. You're doing the right thing, mixing those soils together.
That's right.
For soil health, not crop rotation.